Hi and welcome to another video by Edolio. In this video, we'll learn how to show large numbers in form of millions or thousands. So I have some sample data here. I have different businesses and the sales of these businesses. Now what I want to do is I want to see this large number in form of millions or thousands. So that instead of looking at this large number, I can quickly glance and know if is it in millions, then how many millions, or if it's in thousand, then how many thousands. Now let's see how we can do that. First thing, I'm going to copy this cell range and paste it here in this new column. Now I'll select this range, right click and select format cells. Now another way to go to the format cell window is by using the shortcut Ctrl+1. If you are a Mac user, use Command+1. Now once you go to this format cells window, go to custom. Now make sure you keep an eye on this sample. This sample is same as this first cell. So I'm going to type 0 and I'm going to type a comma. Now, as soon as I type a comma, you can see the number is changed. So what's happening is Excel is removing the last 3 digits. So you can see that 231 is not here anymore. If I put another comma, it goes to 50. So Excel removed another 3 digits. So for every comma, Excel will remove 3 digits. So that's how we are trying to convert the large value into millions. So type 0, comma, comma, open quotes, type M and close the quotes. Now I'm just going to hit OK. And now these values are converted into millions. Now there is one caveat. This value isn't 1 million, but it shows as 1 million here. That's because Excel is rounding it off. Same here, it's 3.7 million, but you can see 4 million. So to avoid this, what we can do is we can show up to 2 decimal places. So reselect the range, use Ctrl+1, come back here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to 0 and I'm going to put a full stop 0, 0. So 0.00, comma, comma, M and OK. And now it is showing up to 2 decimal digits. So now you can see it's 0.99 million. So that's how you show the values in form of millions. Now let's see how we can do that for thousands. So let me just copy this data, paste it here. Again, select this, Ctrl+1. Let's come back here, custom. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use 0 and just 1 comma. Instead of using 2 commas for this case, because I want to see the value in thousands, I'm just going to use 1 comma. And let's do K. What I can also do is come back here and put .00 so that we have up to 2 decimal places. And done. Now you can see the value in terms of thousands. You can keep playing around with commas and decimal places to get the best output you want. Now I'm going to show you one more quick trick. Now let's say we create a graph. So I'll just select this data, go to insert, let's insert a bar chart. Now let's say you're working with a chart in Excel, right? Now this chart has the different data, but there is one problem. You see too many numbers here, too many zeros here, right? And sometimes it just becomes very difficult to read what this number is. Is it in millions? Is it in thousands? It's not easily understandable. You have to look at the number closely, count to know this. So there's a quick trick which you can use to also convert these values into million. What I'm going to do is select this and right click. I'm going to go to format axis. Now here in this, you will see an option display units. By default, it's none. Click here. And in the drop down, I want you to select millions. Now, as soon as you do that, you can see the value here has changed to millions. You can see the millions here and all of these values are in millions. Now we just converted into millions, but using the same method under display units, you can convert into thousands or the different options that are given to you. I hope you liked the video and have learned how to show numbers in millions or thousands in Excel. Now, before you go, if you're someone who wants to learn advanced Excel, things like pivot tables, vlookup, pivot charts, Power Query, if statements, and much, much more, then do check out our in-depth advanced Excel course. It covers everything from basic concepts to advanced concepts with more than 10+ hours of learning content and 50+ exercises. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much and make sure to hit the subscribe button and also like this video to show us some support. I'll see you in the next video.